I don't have one of those little skincare fridges. I think they're cute, but I don't have room on my counter. But if you do, hello, good morning, and happy afternoon. How are we doing? What's new? What's fresh? What's up? I am just chilling, and I wanted to film a little video because I got a really exciting package yesterday, and I wanted to give my first impressions and review of it as quickly as I could. Okay, so I got a really exciting little package in the mail. So Drunk Elephant, the skincare brand, said they were going to send me a couple of things to try out. So I was super excited. Like, I got this package and I was literally jumping. I'm like so happy, and it is so cute. I have to show you. I kept it. It's like this cute blue box. It has like their logo on there. Look at that. When you open it up, look. Oh my gosh. Just gorgeous, super fun and pretty. I'm just gonna jump right in, as people say. Also, it came in this cute little, they sent me like their minis collection, which is a good way to like try everything out, I feel like. But it's just this little cute mini bag, and it's like a neon bag that I could use to store all these in and take it to like, just like a little beachy bag, you know what I mean? Like, I could definitely reuse this if I don't end up using it for all of these little friends in here. So let's do it. All right, first they sent me the jelly cleanser. So that is the one item that I have tried before, and I love this. I feel like before I had the sample size of this as well, so I always just use this as like my travel face wash. Like if I go to the gym or if I'm like on the go, like going on a little trip for the weekend, I would always bring this, and it was just super like simple. I felt like it was just easy, you know what I mean? Like you just throw it on, no weird reactions. Like it's just like smooth. So fun too. All these products have these really cool applicators. So it has that kind of like, it screws up. It's really fun. I actually would recommend putting this in your hand first. So I throw like a little bit in my hand, lather it up. Oh, I just got some on me. I lather it up in my hands before I put it on my face. I feel like it gets more like foamy that way. But yeah, I don't know. I really liked this and felt like it didn't really smell like anything. It's just like a normal product. And they sent me this whole little cheat sheet on everything too. Yeah, it's a jelly cleanser. It's like free of fragrance, all of that, which is great. And yeah, it's just like super gentle. So cleanser, I feel like, is a really good staple for people if they want to try something new. And also, I'm going to give my full opinion on all of these products. Just because they were sent to me doesn't mean I necessarily love them. So I will give my like honest review of everything. But for the cleanser, I really like this little guy. Next, I really need my water, but it's across the room. I have the C Tango multivitamin eye cream, and it looks like that. Yeah, it's like a cute little container as well. You can kind of lock it, which I like. You can like twist to lock it or unlock it. I'm really big into eye creams. I know a lot of them are just like the same ingredients as moisturizers. Like it's basically the same product. I feel like they're just like a little thicker sometimes, or like I like having that stuff in my routine. So I really liked this eye cream. I actually put it on this morning. Normally I do them at night, but I feel like it really did kind of smooth me out. And yeah, I like it. I liked using this. So this was just a simple little eye cream. Let's see if there's anything crazy about it. Yeah, there's vitamin C in there. I like that. Okay, it says you can use it AM and PM. Ooh, and you can put it in the fridge. Some of these say like leave in the fridge. So if you have, like, I don't have one of those little skincare fridges. I think they're cute, but I don't have room on my counter. But if you do, you could pop this little guy in there and be good to freaking go. Also, I know I'm like really into skincare lately, but as I've said in one of my other videos, there's just nothing else for me to do. So I just love trying all these new things and kind of reviewing. And low-key, I feel like since I tried all of those products in my other video, my skin is like, knock on wood, really good right now. There's just a couple things that I used in that haul that blew my mind, that I just feel like have really been helping. And I could like talk about those at the end of this video or in another video. But yeah, I feel like some of the stuff I've tried has actually really made a difference, which is fun. Let's chat about this one. This is the C-firma Day Cream with a pumpkin ferment. I just noticed that. I love pumpkin. Vitamin C serum. That's the bottle, same thing. It's kind of got that little nozzle. So this one comes out as a serum, obviously. And I will say I liked it. Like, I love vitamin C creams. I think they are really good and essential for everyone, just helping with skin damage and with, like, you know, it's a good brush hydrating vitamin to like smear all over. This one was a bit thick for me. I think I'm gonna try it again like the next couple days and see what I think. But this one was just a little bit sticky and thick. I mean, I still like having a vitamin C cream in the mornings, and I think maybe the thick could be better because it could just be like healing my skin more, but generally I prefer a lighter one, like more of a vitamin C like lotion, like a vitamin C moisturizer, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is good with like UV damage and aging, which I feel like we all could use, especially in early 20s. That's a great time to start getting into skincare. Next is another little serum that I love. OMG. This is the Luxury Facial Oil. That is the Luxury Facial Oil. It's the cutest little bottle. Like, look at that little lid. That is adorable. I love the little tiny, like, dropper, which I feel like is really good in a little travel size kit too. And all of these are good quality. Like, this is like glass container. Like, it's a really good quality. And this facial oil, I loved. I love oils so much, like a facial oil. I feel like they just really, I feel like it's something that I've been missing in my skincare routine up to this year. Like, I've done the cleanse, the exfoliate, the moisturize, but having a facial oil just like really balances out my skin, and I just love it. I've tried a few different ones. This one in particular is like not greasy, not oily, nothing. It's just like smooth, and I feel like it just soaks right into my skin, and I just love it. I'm just totally here for it. So I love a little facial oil. Or this is totally one that I would actually purchase if I was to go back and repurchase any of this. I don't know, I just love a little facial oil, and like, look how tiny, like, it is tiny, but you only need a little. Like, it's not like you're dripping in oil. That would be weird. Next up, I have this night serum. First off, love the hot pink cap. That is just a mood. Secondly, love a night serum. Love any sort of serum. Comes out kind of like, yeah, it comes out clear. There's like, I love, none of this really has a scent, which I'm really into. I don't know, I don't like scents in my skincare really, but it just makes you feel like silk. You put it on and you're like, what? Does that sentence, that doesn't make any sense. I mean, you feel, it is a little bit sticky like how a serum is. Yeah, so you follow up with a moisturizer and it kind of gets rid of that like sticky feeling. And I honestly didn't really have a night serum before. Like, I would use my vitamin C in the mornings, and then at night I would just use kind of like a little facial oil or something like that. So I feel like I've heard a lot of people say that these two, so I'm about to talk about this one, heard a lot of people love these little guys. Like, I think this is these are like very popular items, so I'm really excited to see if this does anything to my skin, if it changes it up. Like, and also I really should relax with like trying a million products, but you can't stop me. You like literally can't. Like, I just love these little things. They're so fun to try new things. But I have heard a lot about, I've heard a lot about the pink, I've heard a lot about the blue. Pink is the night serum and this is the hydrating serum. Yeah, I'm gonna keep trying it out and see what this can do. Who knows? All right, next, hydration station. No, it's not called that. It's the intensive hydration serum. This little guy is like just what you need. Especially, I mean, you know what's funny? I think I just have dry skin. In the summer I'm dry, in the winter I'm dry. Like, I just always need hydration, because if I don't, my makeup looks whack or my skin just looks dry. Like, I'm really into all the hydrating products, which like have to be used in, what's the word, in quantity? Like, it's either like, it's a word for like used in small amounts, like not increments, but like, anyway, the serum comes out a little more like thick, like it's less clear than the other one. This feels a little bit more like a lotion, If you put it over that other serum, it just locks it in. You feel smooth AF, and you're just like set. Also, if you can't tell, I'm messing with my hair every 10 seconds in this video because I need to get my roots done. I know we all do, but look, that is my natural hair color, which is totally fine, and I need to like shut it down. But it's like whenever my hair is growing out, it's flat, so I keep trying to like, last two little products I have. So I have this sunscreen, which is SPF 30. Great. I would just say it's your classic sunscreen. Nothing too wild. I do love these little minis because I could just throw it in my purse or like whatever. Like I said, if I'm at pool, the beach, the gym, whatever. So I love these little guys just for travel and stuff like that. I mean, I could always use, but yeah, I like it. I mean, I love like a little sunscreen, a little moment, and it's cute. I don't know. I would say this is pretty simple. But if you're gonna get the minis pack, like, this is a great little plus to have the sunscreen. Drunk Elephant did not ask me to make this video. I just got super hyped and thought I would make this, so that's just like a little disclaimer. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little like video about it because I was excited to try all these new things and give you my full review after just getting them. One of the last things they sent me was this polypeptide cream, which I know this is actually really popular, so I'm excited that it came in this little kit because I've been wanting to try it. It's like a growth moisturizer, which sounds weird, but I think it's like the peptides, there's proteins in here, there's like a bunch of good things. I used it last night and this morning and just felt really smooth, locked in, and ready to go. I've heard good things about this, I've heard good things about all of these things, so I'm glad I got to try them all, but I am interested to see what long-term use, if I still will like them or not, so maybe I'll do like a little update video. But yeah, first impressions, all really good. I didn't love the vitamin C serum. I've had a bunch of people message me on Instagram and say that they love this brand, so I'm really hyped that they sent me this. Thank you so much again to Drunk Elephant. This was like one of my favorite packages I've ever gotten. Yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that if you want. And I do post a lot, so get ready for that. I will give a little update now about some of the products that I tried in my last haul that I 1,000,000,000% love. Driving down south, first we checking places. This Youth to the People adaptogen cream is one of my favorite things I've ever tried. Like, it is so good. Every time I put it on, I know my skin looks better the next morning. So hydrating. It's got awesome like ingredients. There's like reishi, like mushroom, there's ashwagandha, there's all these great de-stressors for your face. I just ordered a full size of this, but this is like one of my favorite things ever, and I'm so glad I tried it through my last skincare haul. What I have on right now is this Sephora brand little number 36 summer beachy lipstick, whatever it is. I really love the color, and at first it's a little bit dark, but I kind of like a darker lip. My natural lips are super dark, so I feel like this is a good go-to for me. But I've been using this like once a week, I would say. It's like not dry at all. It almost feels like a chapstick, like, or well, not really a chapstick, but it's like a really creamy lipstick. Next up, I mentioned this at the very end of that video last time, but the Chantecaille, cannot pronounce it, but I'll put the word right here. I love this. It's so thick and amazing, and the stress repair, and I feel like it's helped so much with my under eye dryness, bags, darkness, but I love this little eye cream. Last thing I'm gonna bring up right now is the Eve L'Homme Moisture Cream. I've been using it almost every night. It smells like a spa. I'm not seeing fragrance in the ingredients. It just has a lot of like citrus oil, lavender oil, flower extract, like all these different oils, like argan, like I don't know if it was argan, there's like random oils in here. No matter what's in here, I don't really know, but it's amazing. I've been using it every day, and it's a little pricey, but I'm like, I might have to rebuy. Well, I didn't buy, this is something I wanted to give away, but this is like awesome. Like, I like look forward to putting it on. Well, thank you so much for watching. I know this was a quick little review, but I just had to get this up because I was excited about all those little goodies I was sent. I hope this was fun to watch, and if you want it, I do believe they sell it. This little Littles kit, it's called the Littles. So yeah, if you want it, I'm pretty sure they sell it at Sephora. It's the Littles kit that looks like this packaging. I would highly recommend. It's a good way to just try like a bunch of things, see if you might hate it, but you might love it, you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, hanging out with me, and Jay chillin'. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, bell, comment. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and it was fun for me to do. And leave a comment below if you have tried any of this and if you like it or not. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.